Hello there. Welcome to Burns Family Chiropractic Center. I'm Dr. Stephen Komsky. I would like you to follow me and let's take a look around. Come on in. I'll give you the tour. To the left of the entrance is our lobby and reception area. Going up a couple of steps, you will find the front desk. A short stroll around the front desk, and you will enter room number 2, treatment room. Shortly past there is treatment room number 3. Up the hallway are business offices and the restroom. Back at the entrance, going up the stairs towards the front desk again, if we turn to the right, you enter treatment room number 1. If we continue towards the back of the office, we will find another short staircase going down a couple of steps, and you will find the diagnostic testing area where we have a computerized nervous system assessment unit. A digital x-ray machine is behind that door, and a digital foot scanner is on the floor. To the right of this, you will see a private consultation room